So, ito po yung ginawa naming system, Empower Cash System. Ang kasama ko po dito si Mario Tanyedo po. Yang first, login form. Ito po yung ginawa naming login. Yang enter po kayo ng username na ginawa niyo, create nyo po. Then, dito naman po is create, yung create nyo po email is lagay nyo lang po dyan. Then, dito naman po is yung password nyo pong ginawa. Then, if you forgot your password, enter nyo lang po ito. Pero, proceed po tayo sa setup ngayon. Then, after po nan, ito po yung dashboard namin, Empower Cash System. Monthly income niya po is 5,200, expense this month 3,100, saving goal 8,000 to up 10,000. Then, expense overview, ito naman po yung makikita nyo, yung week 1, week 2, week 3, groceries, bills, entertainment, others. Then, family calendar, ito naman po yung mga nakalagay po sa family calendar po namin. Then, saving progress, 80% of 10,000 goal, almost there, keep going. Alert and reminders, budget limit, exceed utility bill due tomorrow. Parent teaching meeting Friday. Then, proceed po tayo sa finance. Then, dito naman po sa finance overview, yung total balance, 12,500, total income, 5,200, total expense, 3,100. Then, ito naman po yung makikita nyo sa aming finance overview. Yan po. As usual, parang same lang po ng dashboard na inano. Then, family support. Family support is totally family members is 5. Shared expense for 5. This month contribution 3,200. Then dito niyo po makikita yung mga family member like yung name po, then relationship, contribution, and task management. Ito po yung mga sample niya. Ito po yung name, ito po yung relation niya sa relation. Then, ito po yung contribution na halaga. Then, ito po yung task management. Example, school trip. Then, ito rin po yung kanyang amount. Proceed po tayo sa reports. And dito naman po sa reports, total income monthly, 5,200. Total expense monthly, 3,100. Total savings monthly, 2,100. Experience breakdown. Ito na po yung mga experience breakdown. 17% in the first week, 20% in the second week, third week, 26%. Then, ito naman po sa reports, gaya po sinabi ko kanina, yung mga income monthly niya po, ito po yung mga buwan, ito po yung mga buwan ng ng mga report po namin. Then, income po is yung income monthly is 5,2, expenses 3,1, and all monthly is 2,1. So, yun lang po. Then if I click log out, rekta po siya sa login po ulit. Then, ito lang po ang aming ginawang system. Then, thank you po.